Okay, let's talk about how to manifest a specific text from a specific person. It doesn't have to be a text necessarily. Maybe you're trying to manifest like a DM or an email, a job offer. I think for the most part, people use this for relationships, like love relationships. But it doesn't have to be. It could be like an old friend or maybe like a job opportunity, whatever it is that you're trying to manifest. But basically, the first thing you have to do is to clear your mind and calm your breath. Because what you're going to do is you're going to set your focus and set your intention on one specific text from one specific person. Because wherever your mind and your energy and your focus goes, that's where you're really going to create. Because whatever you focus on will expand. So we really want to make sure that you're just focusing on one specific thing, because it's going to be a lot more powerful versus if you're like trying to focus on like multiple texts from multiple people. Then it's just your focus is kind of all over the place and it makes it a little bit harder. So it's best to do this at night right before you go to bed, or in the morning. My dog is freaking out. Poor baby. Or in the morning when you first wake up, when your mind is like a little bit more calm and quiet. So what you're going to do is you're going to visualize and sort of imagine getting this text from this person. And you're going to be really detailed with it. You're going to want to sort of think about little things like, is your phone going to vibrate? Is it going to like make a noise? What phone settings do you have it on? And what is it going to visually look like when the message pops up on the screen on your phone? And from there, you're going to imagine how that would make you feel. Because the visualization is not really the important part. How you feel is actually the most important part. Because that's actually what's going to attract the text to you. Not necessarily the visualization, but focusing on the emotions and how you would feel when you receive this. And you can even think about like how your phone's going to vibrate, like the vibration of it. It's funny because you're like trying to tap into the vibration of getting this text message and how you would feel. And I'm talking about like how your phone will vibrate, but that's what you're going to do. And then after that, what you have to do, which is the harder part, is to kind of let go and to stop thinking about it, which sounds counterintuitive because they just ask you to set your intention and your focus on it, because that's whatever you focus on is going to expand and grow. But then you have to let go, which is always hard for people. But the best way to go about doing it is to live in the present moment and to do breath work. Because if you're so focused on living every single moment to its fullest extent and living in the present, you're not going to be like stressed out about like when this text is going to come and all of that stuff, because you don't really want to be thinking about all of those things. That's going to kind of create resistance and make it harder for you to receive it. And another fun trick that you can do is if you have a friend, you can have your friend like text you whatever message you're trying to receive, but before they do, just change their name in your contact to the person that you actually want to receive the text from. And then when you ask your friend to text you the message that you want to see, then it's going to be really easy for you to physically see it and sort of have that experience. Like instead of having to visualize it, you can just really experience it, and then you can experience all of the emotions that would come along with it, how you would actually feel. So that's like a fun little technique if you have like a second phone, or if you like have a friend who can help you. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next. And I am also selling these cute little notebooks on my Etsy store, so I'll link that down below if you want to check it out. Okay, I will see you next time. Bye!